At the forefront of the energy transition, CRM Group supports its industrial partners in addressing the challenges related to renewable energy and energy efficiency. That is the case at John Cockerell, which is developing technological solutions for more sustainable industrial production.
The first one is to provide solutions which are more efficient regarding energy consumption and regarding also the opportunity to capture the heat losses or energy losses in the processes.
And what about hydrogen then?
We all know that hydrogen will play a very important role for the energy transition, and we are a key player in this area.
At Carmeuse, they offer equipment and services to optimize production processes and reduce CO2 emissions.
The first one is just to improve the energy efficiency of our processes in such a way that we do not use energy and then we emit less CO2. The second one is to shift from existing fossil fuel-based energy towards renewable energy, electricity, hydrogen, energy-based processes. And last but not least, which is one of potentially the major challenge we have, is to tackle with the process CO2, because in our processes we have 70% of the emission related to the chemical reaction and 30% related to the energy we use in the system. So even if we find solution for 30%, we have a remaining unavoidable CO2 emission.
And also at ArcelorMittal, the company produces high-quality steel for various applications.
We have large operations which have been fine-tuned over many, many years. And in order to move away new technology, we also need to make sure that these facilities can operate very efficiently in the new footprint, and we are able to make all the products that we make today very efficiently in the future also.
Solutions exist to reduce the use of fossil carbon. For this purpose, partners innovate in material flow symbiosis and alternative fuels at ArcelorMittal.
The whole idea of Voltaron is to make iron directly from iron ores using electrolysis, so using electricity at low temperature.
And that's not all.
So the electric arc furnace, I will say, is a key technology for the future. Electric arc furnaces are using different kind of metallic sources, scrap, direct reduced iron.
Innovations are also taking place at Carmeuse.
Butterfly is one of our flagship projects when we are developing a kiln where we concentrate in our BAT, best available technology, the CO2 to be what we call CCUS compatible, so really compliant with the new objective of tackling the CO2 emission. Though this is really one of our flagship. We are now under construction of the biggest pilot in the world of that technology, and hopefully we are doing that in close collaboration with the CRM.
And at John Cockerell with the solar concentration towers.
There are big challenges, for example, for materials, and CRM is a key expert in materials, how to handle molten salt, how to evaluate the risk with molten salt for mechanical resistance, for corrosion, for eventual toxicity of products. And the last point is hydrogen. Most of our small pilots, we have located them at CRM to take advantage of all their experience in the theoretical topics, but also in the ability to manage pilots, testing equipment.
To build the sustainable steel plant of the future, a cornerstone of the circular economy, CRM Group is a key partner, which is evidence in itself.
For me, the answer is very simple because it's really an evidence for us. When you have such a partner with a unique asset and infrastructure and competencies so close to you, with the capability to work on designing, engineering, constructing, maintaining, and operating pilots of big size, just related to our target, that's really something we can capitalize on. And it's for me one of the unique body in Europe in that perspective.
CRM is very critical to ArcelorMittal. Their expertise in terms of developing innovative technology, developing pilot plants, which eventually move into industrial applications, is certainly a very unique skill and expertise that they have displayed over many, many decades. So again, I only want to say that it is really very, very important for ArcelorMittal to have the expertise and the innovativeness of the CRM team.
With CRM, it's a win-win partnership. We have structural relationships, and it's what we try to build with them, and it's on the right way with the young generation. And I'm very pleased to see that young people recruited at John Cockerill and young people recruited at CRM are also working together. And it's based first on trust, on values, and particularly that technology is part of the solution.